Yo, it's Nori Japanese lesson. Let's study Japanese with One Piece. If you didn't check my previous short video, please check it before watching this high-level lesson. Okay, let's watch today's phrase of Luffy.
俺は本気でルフィ。お前らを超えて海賊王になる男だ。
So cool. Let's check each sentence. First sentence is 俺は麦わらのルフィ. Do you know this meaning? 俺は means I'm, and 麦わらのルフィ is human's name, right? So it means I'm 麦わらのルフィ. But generally, Japanese people say their name in the introduction like that. 私の名前はノリです. We add 名前は. 名前 means name. So if you want to do your self-introduction, you need to say 私の名前はアンドレです. 私の名前はアンドレです. Like that. Okay? Let's check next sentence.
俺は本気でルフィ。お前らを超えて。
Next sentence is お前らを超えて. お前ら means you guys. But generally Japanese people say 君たち, あなたたち instead of using お前ら, because お前ら is a little aggressive way to say you guys. Okay? So you guys don't need to use お前ら. Okay? Next word is 何々を超えて. Do you know the meaning of 超える? If I say 山を越えたい, it means I want to go over the mountain. But if I say あなたを超えたい, it means I wanna overcome you, defeat you. Like that. It's a little difficult lesson, but never give up. Okay, let's check next sentence.
海賊王になる男だ。
So cool. 海賊王になる男だ. Do you wanna be 海賊王? If you've already checked my previous short video, you already know this meaning. The man who becomes a king of pirates. Okay, so cool. Let's check full sentence of Luffy. Okay, let's go.
俺は本気でルフィ。お前らを超えて海賊王になる男だ。
So cool. What do you wanna be in the future? 私は将来 YouTuber の王になりたいです。How about you? あなたはどうですか? 夢は持っているでしょうか? 私は持ってます。Okay, next week I'm gonna make Japanese lesson with other animations. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the good button to check my next videos. Okay, see you again. Bye.